Okay guys, I did something and I'm really excited about it and I'm going to share it with you guys. So if you guys remember, about a week and a half ago I found this post and I was like, I absolutely love this for so many different reasons, because I feel like we all go through a lot of changes, especially becoming a new mom, or regardless, like throughout our lives we always go through changes. Like if you're not changing, then you're not getting better and you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing while you're here. So we're always changing, we're always evolving to better person, and I just love this idea of a ring because it literally was just like, love me, time me again. Because yeah, we all go through these phases where like we lose ourselves or we're trying to redefine ourselves and all this stuff, and it's just like, I will come back to that person again, but right now I'm evolving and learning and becoming better, and then I'll be even a better person, you know. So this ring means a lot to me and I'm so excited that I got it, and I treated myself to it because I really don't buy myself stuff. It's just hard for me. It's always easier for me to buy stuff for other people. But with that being said, guys, it is here and I'm gonna open it with you guys. I have not looked at it and I'm really excited that I got it. Okay, so let me open it. Oh my gosh. We are opening it. Oh, it comes in a cute little box. So yeah, so it's from Story Jewelry, which you guys already know that, but super cute. Oh look, it has it in there. Okay, and it comes in this cute little pouch, and then, oh, it's so cute. I love this. And I just want to remind you guys, this is not a sponsored thing. I just love this ring. I just think it's so cute, and it's just a great reminder of like, no matter what phase this, look how cute it is. I love it. Oh, it's not focusing on it, but like whatever phase you're in, eventually you will get back to feeling like yourself again, and just a reminder to love yourself, and eventually, like, it's a perfect fit too. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. I hope you love it. Anyway, I love it, guys, so much. I love it. It's totally worth it. And oh well, that's all. Okay, love you guys.